में संबा, रास्ता है लंबा, चाहत में फिर भी तुम एक यू टर्न ले लो ना, थोड़ा या ज्यादा मंजिल का वादा, दिल के उस हाईवे को तुम पीछे छोड़ो ना। रंबा में संबा, रास्ता है लंबा, चाहत में फिर भी तुम एक यू टर्न ले लो ना, थोड़ा या ज्यादा मंजिल का वादा, दिल के उस हाईवे को तुम पीछे छोड़ो ना। ओ हो हो, इस सफर में सारे, ओ हो हो, ना सफर कर प्यारे, ओ हो हो, तुम भी आओ ना। रंबा में संबा।
Shah Rukh and Farah dancing on Ramba Mein Samba, that is a song from Shiri Farhat Ke Tu Nikal Padi, was definitely the highlight of the music launch of Shiri Farhat Ke Tu Nikal Padi. It also happened to be a teaser poster launch of Shiri Farhat Ke Tu Nikal Padi. Incidentally, this was the very first time that Shah Rukh and Farah came together in the public eye after the entire infamous incident that happened with Shah Rukh having an altercation with Shirish Kundar at Sanjay Dutt's party, and whatever happened after that, and they have patched up, and Shah Rukh is also doing Farah's Happy New Year. But this was the very first time that Shah Rukh and Farah came together before the media together, and both of them are obviously very fond of each other. But somehow Shah Rukh did not speak to the media. There was no interaction between Shah Rukh and the media, which generally happens in almost all his press conferences. But nevertheless, it was a lot of good fun. The evening was also a tribute to the wonderful Parsi community. Before we move further, we have to talk about the host for the evening, that is Cyrus Brocha. He was a laugh right. His sense of humor is vitriolic, unabashedly tongue-in-cheek at times. He spared no one, be it Shah Rukh, be it Farah, be it Baman, almost everyone. He had gags and jokes and all for almost everyone. It was not the usual sort of event where very nice things are said and a lot of sugar flows. So before we move further, we'll have to bring you some Cyrus Brocha moments from the evening.
A picture about two beautiful Parsis, very interesting, very fascinating, and starring the beautiful Farah Khan and even as gorgeous, I would say, Baman Irani, because I have seen him naked. Okay, you don't have to laugh. I have. Now you can laugh.
Baman has a nude scene in the film. A semi-nude scene, and that was the day my children and my mother-in-law came to watch shooting. And after that, I was not allowed to shoot anymore.
When you say semi-nude, what were we looking at exactly?
I was really not looking at anything. I was trying to keep my eyes up.
Close up?
You'll have to ask Bela because she had the zoom on.
Why don't you ask her mother-in-law? We've been on BB ever since.
Farah, how much money were you paid for the film?
मत पूछो बहन, ये बड़ी दुख भरी कहानी है.
She's calling me बहन. At least half only. Before it was a fuller word. बहन something else. Okay. But there are lots of बहन. अरे बहन. अरे बाबा. Mercedes Benz. Huh. You're a guy who's selling lingerie, is that right?
Lingerie is mispronounced in this country.
It is
Braziers.
It is lingerie.
Braziers. Lingerie. And Farah's character Shireen comes to visit.
She comes to visit.
To buy lingerie.
And I have to sell her some.
I come to visit the bras and the panties over there. I come to buy, obviously.
So I'm not lying. In the synopsis it says, and a girl comes with a 34B, something like that.
Yeah, they obviously got the measurement wrong.
It's 38B.
Or
C.
not to be. That is the question. Shah Rukh is written here. You have to interact with F, B and C. That's F row, B, okay, no. It's F, B and C. You have to talk to Bela. To C is who?
You, I think.
Oh, me? Okay. F, B and C. So take your time.
C is for what, if it's for you?
C is, I don't know.
Okay, we'll not get into
like
that.
Like parachute. Oh, we should also invite Mr. Mukesh Desai of T-Series. Mr. Mukesh Desai, is he there? Clear the room for Mr. Mukesh Desai. Mukesh, Shah Rukh, Mukesh.
Shiri Farhat Ke Tu Nikal Padi has had two poster launches so far. The one is Salman and Madhuri from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. The second one has been Shah Rukh and Kajol from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And the third poster launch that has happened today is that of Shah Rukh and Kajol from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. So let's bring you a few moments where the poster was launched and Shah Rukh and Farah enacted a scene from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Let's get Shah Rukh's reactions. You've seen this poster before, but now perhaps a few years later.
बस यही दिन देखना बाकी रह गया था. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था हमने जो भी फिल्में की हैं उसका सब मजाक उड़ाते हैं, इसका कोई नहीं उड़ाएगा, लेकिन माशाल्लाह, very good.
I think Boman is looking, he's dressed in Dilwale, but he's looking like Shah Rukh from My Name is Khan. No?
नहीं शिरीन नहीं, बाबूजी ठीक कहते हैं, ये हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं. हमारे माता पिता.
पापा.
हमारे माता पिता ये पूरी जिंदगी हमें पालते हैं, पोसते हैं, हमें ढेर सारा प्यार देते हैं. हमें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि हम इनका दिल तोड़कर अपने ख्वाबों के महल खड़े करें. ये लीजिए बॉमन जी, संभालिए अपनी शिरीन. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इसे मुझसे ज़्यादा प्यार दे सकते हैं तो आप बेहतर जानते हैं. मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ म्यूजिक रिलीज करने आया था, किसी का दिल तोड़ने नहीं आया था. ये लीजिए शिरीन, शिरीन को संभालिए बाबूजी. एंड नाउ यू हैव टू डू दम दीजिए.
Papa, how dare you?
Time for some more highlights from this event.
Boman, of course, genuinely one of the finest actors of our times, and I'm not being patronizing. I really think one has learned a lot from him. Very few people know he used to own a bakery, and then the calling, he was a photographer, professional photographer for marriages, and then he decided to be an actor at a much later age than normal actors do. So this is his first launch film as a hero now. So wonderful, Boman, and God bless you, man.
And Farah, the one you...
No, first let me say this, shit, more competition. But God bless you, all the best. Of course, that's one Parsi here who helped me a lot. And then, of course, Farah Khan, who I think genuinely, again, is one of the most talented directors ever in the history of Indian cinema. Not only as a woman, but as a man. What am I saying? Including men and women. So thank you, Farah, for giving me some of the nicest moments in films. And I wish you all the best as an actor.
I refused to do the film initially because they said that Farah Khan is going to be starring opposite me. And then Farah Khan put a hand on her hip, and then I agreed to do the film. And then ever since, what can I say?
Couple.
Is it wrong for me to say as a married man and married woman that we are in love?
Anything for publicity, Baba. We understand that. Oh, acha, I charge by the minute.
Farah, you can't be that.
And it lasts only 1 minute anyway.
This film looks wonderful, mashallah. I've seen Farah's shown me some snippets. I've been seeing it on YouTube, and I think it's going to really rock, inshallah. And Sanjay Bansali for being a producer, finally, of a film which is light and happy.
We thought that there were too many Punjabi films happening, so we decided that why not another Parsi film and, you know, make people more aware of Parsis.
We don't look Punjabi.
And we have spent so much time with Parsis, only Parsi friends, Parsi school. So
which Parsi school?
Bengali Girls High School. And
that's a Bengali school.
She's my soulmate in so many ways.
And we were both taking revenge on each other. That's what we said.
I always get angry with her. I sometimes hate her. Sometimes I'm jealous of her. But I've never stopped loving her. So this was my way of taking revenge. But her performance is so stunning that I think it's boomeranged completely on me.
Okay, now it sounds more like Shireen, Farhad and Sanjay. The romance continues.
Finally, it's time to wrap up, but before we end, we'll have to say something about Usha Uttop, who sung Ramma Mein Samba. I think she has sung it beautifully. She's got a tremendous voice, and we should have much more of Usha Uttop in Bollywood if we can.
Ramma mein samba, rasta hai lamba, चाहत में फिर भी तुम्हें क्यों चल ले लो ना, थोड़ा या ज़्यादा मंजिल का वादा, दिल की उस हाईवे को तुम पीछे मुझे छोड़ो ना, इस सफर में सारे ना सफर कर प्यारे, तुम भी आओ ना, रंबा में सांबा.
This is Faridun Shahrar with cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.